Welcome back to RC Studios. Today we are going to be unboxing the Traxxas Tri-Axle Boat Trailer for the Traxxas Spartan, Traxxas Spartan RS or Self-Rising, and Traxxas M41 Catamaran Wide Body. Hopping over to the trailer, there are a few things on here. This trailer, first off, is very scale. It looks very well when you are pulling a boat with it. This boat trailer is very customizable depending on what you like to do with it. Starting up front on the scale of this boat right here, you do get a scale trailer stand and jack, but up front beyond that you do get where you can connect the trailer hitch to it. We'll have more on that here shortly. Right behind that you do get an elastic tie down strap for the boat. We'll touch more on how to actually get that attached to the boat here shortly. Right behind that, this, like I said, this boat trailer is very customizable out of the box. You can attach one of Traxxas electronic winches right through here where that electric strap is for more of a scale look. And then right behind here, you have plenty of foam dampening for the hull of the boats. This one out of the box is set up for the Traxxas Spartan, but you can both run the M41 catamaran and Spartan, its various models on this trailer. You just have to modify these. It's a tri-axle, so you have 3 wheels on both sides, which gives it a nice look. And then behind here, you do get another elastic tie-down strap. On the underside of it, you can see cutouts for LEDs. You can get a kit from Traxxas to install lights in this, which just improves the scale look of this. But overall, this trailer is very well built. It is machined out of aluminum, measures in at about 44 inches long, but it is very durable and works very well. In terms of what Traxxas models you can use to tow this, you can use any of the Traxxas TRX4 models. You can also use the Traxxas TRX6 model for it. They also say you can utilize the Traxxas Raptor R, the longer and wider slash to tow this, which all those have a very scale look to it to complement the design of the trailer. You do get a bag of goodies in the bag. So right here, this is a couple things you can use to attach to the boat, and that elastic tie-down strap on the front will just clip in there to help secure the boat. You also get some 3M tape to actually secure that to the hull. Underneath that, you do get different attachments for the trailer itself, so you can modify it as you see fit. In the same bag, you also get the trailer hitch for it. So right here is half of it. This trailer hitch is adjustable. The other half is just right in here. They slide together like this, and then from there, as you can see, those bolt holes align. On the TRX4 models, I have another one of these trailers, if you've seen previously on the channel. When I am towing my Spartan with one of these with the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco, the 1979 version, I have it on this highest setting. Up top on the trailer hitch right here, you can see where another bolt hole needs to go to actually secure the trailer to the hitch. In the same bag from previously, as you can see, you do get 4 screws. That is for the actual trailer hitch assembly and for the screws. As you can see, you have that one right here with the more flat head, rather composed like the curved. That is the one for the actual trailer hitch to the trailer. Underneath that, you do get a owner's manual and some more information on the actual trailer itself. As you can see, it provides information on how to actually secure the boat to the trailer. It also tells you how to secure the trailer hitch to the actual truck you're using, and it gives you information on how to attach it from there. Like previous stated, you do get the option to install a winch. The winch is sold separately, but it gives you information on how to install it there. And then through the rest of this gives you information on how to configure the boat trailer for the different various Traxxas boat models. Like I said, this is primarily used for the Spartan and M41, but it tells you how to adjust it accordingly to best fit what boat you're wanting to run. And then hopping over to the other side, it gives you a little bit more information on how to secure the boat on the front end of the vehicle if you do elect to attach it there. And then the back side, again, is just more information on that. And then underneath that, you do get a series of stickers you can attach to this boat trailer as well to increase the scale look. You get some stickers here, and then you get some mock diamond plate. But rather than that, that does conclude my unboxing video of the Traxxas Tri-Axle trailer. I will include a couple links at the bottom. As of right now, I've only been able to make one video with my other Traxxas Tri-Axle trailer. It was with the Traxxas Spartan. I will leave a link to that down in the description so you can see this in use. But rather than that, this was just a fairly straightforward unboxing video. I hope you did enjoy it. I will also leave a couple other links down there for you as well. I'll leave a link to this item in particular. One will be to the Traxxas website. The other one will be through RC Planet. You can find it there because I did have trouble finding this on Traxxas website from themselves. But rather than that, like I said, that does include my unboxing video. This is fairly straightforward. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like. If you have any questions, want feedback or anything like that, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section below. If you wouldn't mind also dropping a subscriber. Thank you so much and have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye now.